My name is David Glover Wright. I'm the Principal Social Worker for Children's Services here at Buckinghamshire County Council. I started running monthly practice forums for all workers within Children's Services, so irrespective of whether they were a manager or whether they were a qualified practitioner or one of our very competent family resilience children and family practitioners, all were welcome to come to the practice forums. So those started in September last year, and the idea was to focus each month on a key subject which was particularly high profile at that time. So it might be a sudden increase in the number of children experiencing domestic abusive relationships within their families. So that particular month I would look to focus on how we work with families where there are domestically abusive relationships, what the impact might be with the children, and how we can help those children develop emotional resilience, but more than that, how we can protect them. We get on average 15 to 20 practitioners at each forum, and we get feedback at the end of each forum, so I know if the presentation, if the content is hitting the mark or not, as the case may be. The real test then is testing out whether the knowledge and skills that we've talked about in those practice forums are then demonstrated in practice, and that links into our beyond auditing approach, which is very much our kind of approach now to testing out whether the skills, whether the competency levels are where we need them to be to protect our most vulnerable children and families. You've got loads of opportunities to experience a very diverse kind of profile of social work, of learning experiences. We've also got a new organisational structure which is focusing on bringing together key service areas, so help and protection teams now embrace our children in need and our child protection services. So having those together means our offer to children and families is more comprehensive and better coordinated. So all these things I would say are a positive opportunity and hopefully an attractive feature for anyone thinking of working here in Buckinghamshire.